This is going to be an exciting omelet. Just happen to have a few things left over in the refrigerator from setting up for a little party. So, prosciutto ham, some onions, a little butter. Now I know the prosciutto got a lot of fat on it, but we're still going to put some butter in there. And this has to crisp up a little bit like bacon. So with the onions. Now, if you buy the really, really good prosciutto ham, it's very expensive. It's very hard. So I can tell that this one isn't the high quality one. But it's still prosciutto ham. So we'll let it go at that. And while that's cooking up there, here we have the eggs, and into the eggs I'm going to put the Boursin cheese. And it's a very soft cheese, delicious on crackers. So I'm doing it like this because it's hard to get it into the omelet when the omelet is like cooking, and spread it out evenly, and this way it should work. And then I'm not showing you how to make Spanish sauce or Creole sauce. I just happen to have a little in the refrigerator, so I'm going to top it off with that. Here we go. We are ready. Get a plate. This is fast. And get all of it in there, so I use a spatula. I don't want to waste any of that egg. Now you push the edges that, see how they cook up? Push it. Move it so the cheese in there is working because it is not sticking to the pan. And we're going to get ready for it's a high flame, so let it set up a little so we can move it. Flip it, get this side over. Okay, so that worked. So my idea of putting the cheese in with the eggs was a good idea. And there it's loose. Now you don't want to overcook it. I like it soft, so this is done. So you take this delicious omelet, tilt the plate. Look how beautiful that is. But we're not done yet, because we have to put on some of the Spanish sauce or Creole sauce. And I'll just lay some over it. Not to go crazy with it. And there you go. How's that omelet? And I'm going to enjoy it. I hope you do too. Hang on for a second, just to get a picture so I can put it on the front of the video. Okay, good.